In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export your ConvertKit subscriber list. First, log into your ConvertKit account. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Click on Grow, and from the drop-down menu, choose Subscribers. This will take you to your main subscriber list, where you can see all of the people currently in your account. Here, decide which subscribers you want to export. You can select individual subscribers, or if you want to export everyone, use the checkbox at the top of the list to select all. Once your selection is made, look to the top right area of the subscriber list for the Bulk Actions button. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose Export. ConvertKit will then generate a CSV file containing the details of the subscribers you selected. When it's ready, you'll receive an email from ConvertKit with a secure download link to that CSV file. Next, open that CSV in a spreadsheet tool like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers. This is where you'll clean and prepare your list. Start by removing any duplicate email addresses so you don't have the same contact more than once. Make sure each contact has a valid email address and that the information is in the correct columns. Use clear column headers such as email, first name, last name, and tag if you're using tags. You can also include any custom fields you want to keep, like company or sign up source. Clear headers make it much easier to map fields correctly when importing later. When everything looks good, go to the File menu, choose Download, and select the option for a CSV file, often labeled comma-separated values. Now, head back to the Subscribers page in ConvertKit. In the top right corner, click on the Add Subscribers button. A pop-up will appear. Choose Import CSV. In the next pop-up, click the button to choose a file to upload. Your computer's file browser will open, so navigate to the CSV file you just saved, select it, and click Open or press Enter. ConvertKit will now show you a screen where you match your CSV columns to ConvertKit fields such as email, first name, last name, and any other custom fields. Create new fields if needed. When you're done mapping, click Next. In the optional settings, decide whether to add these subscribers to specific tags, forms, or sequences. Finally, click Start Import. You'll see a small message confirming that subscribers are being imported. Click Got it, wait for the page to reload, and you'll see your imported list in your ConvertKit account.